Well, my rear extended line requires a larger fitting than what's currently on it. So I gotta cut the flare off the end of the tube, take this fitting off, put the other fitting on, re-flare it, and then we'll be good. Probably need to get a smaller cutter. Deburr the inside. Take this fitting off. Make sure I put the new fitting on beforehand. And this has got a plastic jacket. Let me take a little bit more of that plastic jacket off. Again, I don't want to cut into the tube right here. Probably need to go get my knife. Hold on. This will help the tool to grab a little bit easier. It's always fun doing new things, figuring things out, solving problems. Okay, now we'll take our fitting here. Oh, I'm going to need to go get another tool to tighten these up. Okay, I want to make sure I'm bottomed out. Be right back. So first, tighten this down, clamps on to the brake line. It's one of the reasons why we want to get rid of that plastic sheath so it holds tight. Because as we're putting pressure on the end of the tube to flare it, we don't want that tube to be moving. And we'll take the end plug out. Remember that sets our depth. And then we want to use our tool first on this end. Put just a little bit of assembly lube on it. And we'll crank this thing down all the way. Not a lot of room to work here, but certainly better than those bench-mounted flaring tools. They have their place, but certainly not in this location. Almost there, I can feel it. I think that was it. Yep. So we'll loosen this. Again, just a touch of assembly lube on the other end. Just a touch. And this will create that double flare. Almost there. There we go. Break that. Don't need to take that all the way out. Because all I need to do is loosen these enough to get that flare out. Love these ratcheting box ends. Should be good to go. Wipe, get that assembly grease off. And we'll come back up. There we go. Here's our brake tool. There we go. That is all done.